Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use three-dimensional sketch in SolidWorks. To begin, navigate to the Sketch tab and select the three-dimensional sketch command. This allows you to draw lines, arcs, and splines directly in three-dimensional space, which is incredibly useful for complex designs. Understanding the X, Y, and Z axes is crucial for precise placement and orientation of your sketch entities. Once in a three-dimensional sketch, you can use familiar tools like line, arc, and spline. A key technique is pressing the Tab key to cycle through the XY, IS, and ZX sketch planes, allowing you to draw on different faces. Remember to apply geometric relations such as parallel, perpendicular, and coincident to define your sketch entities accurately. This ensures your design intent is maintained throughout the modeling process. For more intricate designs, consider using construction geometry to establish reference points and paths. The on-plane relation is powerful for projecting existing two-dimensional sketch entities onto your three-dimensional sketch, saving time and ensuring accuracy. Always dimension your three-dimensional sketches thoroughly. This makes your model robust and easier to modify later. Precise dimensions are vital for successful three-dimensional modeling. Three-dimensional sketches are excellent for routing applications, such as designing pipe systems, electrical wiring harnesses, or structural frames. For complex shapes, you can even use the Sketch Picture tool to import an image as a reference. A crucial tip is to always fully define your three-dimensional sketches with dimensions and relations. This prevents unexpected changes and ensures your design remains stable and predictable.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.